You have finally decided to restart your career. But wait, there are so many platform tools are available in that you're losing your time. But what if I tell you there are 5 free applications which are available that will save your time and build your confidence and give the clarity also. Now, which are those 5 free tools? Let's understand. Hello everyone, I'm Tejaswita and I'm career comeback coach and the founder of the Pro Career Ignition Club. So whether you are having a 2 years of experience or 10 years of experience, the tools which I'm going to share in this video, they will become a companion. And what will happen, as I said, you will start getting the clarity without wasting your time. So why to wait? Let's deep dive. Yes, before that, if you're having any question, you are stuck into the any recruitment process, hiring process, don't forget to write that question into the comment section, or you can email me at the rate tejaswita@procareerignition.com. I'll create a video and I'll share it on a YouTube platform, so your question will be answered via video. So let's understand which are those 5 tools. So the first tool which I am going to share, we all are knowing. So the whatever tools I am sharing here, it is a mixture of you have to use your brain, your mindset, and you have to take the help of the AI. Now the first, which is very famous now in the market, that is a ChatGPT. Why we need to ChatGPT and how it is going to help you? So basically, to reduce your pain point, like how to start, where to start, if you're not very sure what structure you need, if you wanted to brainstorm on a particular topic, ChatGPT will be the very good friend. You can consider ChatGPT your boyfriend also. So if you're stuck into the any process, for example, you're not very sure how to write the professional summary, okay, you can write about the key details and mention that I need the professional summary. But I always tell all my participants, before you use copy paste from the ChatGPT, you need to put your own flavor, because when interviewers sit for the interview, they see the flavor what you are giving at the time of the interview. So always put your own flavor in the resume, don't completely copy paste. These tools are basically will be the helping hand for you, but finally efforts you need to put, all the processing you need to do it. Second important thing that will help you to build your LinkedIn profile also. Now many times I mentioned, when you are writing your job responsibility, you need to use the action words. Now, which are the action words? How to incorporate those particular keywords which are mentioned into the job description. These kind of a help will be done by the ChatGPT. So your job become much easier. But as I said, your flavor is more important. So I remember one of my participant, actually, she always wanted to freelancing work. She never decided to go for the full-time job, but she was not very sure how to create a portfolio. That is also freelance related for portfolio. So she simply put one prompt in the ChatGPT saying that please give me the framework for my this freelancing work to present my work to the employer. And then ChatGPT has given the framework. What she did, she just keyed all her data in that particular framework. So the effort what she was taking to decide how to present, where to present, everything ChatGPT has given the outline. So you can utilize that ChatGPT for the various reasons. But now since you're restarting your career, you're overwhelming, you think you're not very sure from where to start, what to write, what not to write. So many videos are coming and not very sure how to incorporate those things. Ask ChatGPT, just take the outline, brainstorm with them, and prepare your own resume with your own wordings. Now the second tool is very famous, we all are knowing, but few people are knowing how to use it, some are not knowing. That is the Canva. Now Canva is helping you to creating not only the resume, but a lot of creatives also, because a lot of samples are available. And best part, like you can work in the free version also. You don't need to go for the paid version immediately. So where to use Canva? One important thing, you can use it for the resume, but my side, I personally prefer like a resume has to be into the Word, or either Word format or PDF format, because for the passing into the ATS, it's much easier. Sometimes Canva design is not helping to pass the resume in the resume, but it's give you the nice look. If you wanted to create a profile for the designer side, yes, Canva is the best option. Now, second use, like if you wanted to create any creatives for the social media. So for the social media, whoever is creating the content, they are definitely using the Canva. So you can use, like if you want to post any picture or post any poster, you can create that, and just small tweak, like a small tweak in a sense, like you don't need to work too much. बहुत simple है. By making a 2-3 posters, you will become more handy. And most importantly, in LinkedIn banner, आपका लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल जो अपडेटेड होना चाहिए, उसके लिए यू नीड द लिंक्डइन बैनर. सो लिंक्डइन बैनर्स के बहुत सारे सैम्पल्स वहाँ पे फ्री अवेलेबल है. यू कैन अपडेट दैट, यू कैन मॉडिफाई दैट, एंड यू कैन अपलोड दैट बैनर इन योर लिंक्डइन. सो दैट वे यू कैन यूज द कैनवा, बिकॉज कैनवा हैज़ अ फैसिलिटी. रेडीमेड पिक्चर्स वहाँ पे मिल जाते हैं. यू जस्ट नीड टू डू द स्मॉल मॉडिफिकेशन. अभी तो इफ़ यू, एज आई सेड, ChatGPT also will help you if you're stuck into the any Canva process. You just simply ask like I'm stuck into this process, what I need to do next. So ChatGPT will help you with the processes also. So second tool, I personally feel you should have a little mastery into Canva. So whenever you will be on a social media, if you're updating your resume, if you're making any presentation, you need some kind of a pictures or posters, Canva is going to help you. Now, third important app, that is Grammarly. So I have seen many women, when they are thinking they want to restart their career, they always feel like my current communication, especially the English communication, is really good. Am I really, going to match up the expectation what employer is having? And in that dilemma, in that, over underestimating, they make a lot of mistakes in the resume, in the drafting, in the cover letter, in the messages which they are sending to on the LinkedIn. So Grammarly will be your friend who will correct your grammar. So there are free version is also available. There are paid version is also available. I personally feel go for the paid. थोड़ा खर्चा तो बनता है when you are restarting your career, okay? So Grammarly will help you to frame these sentences also, and having a big sentence that will make in a small sentence. So इस वजह से आप बहुत ज़्यादा explain भी नहीं कर रहे हो, और आपको जो message देना है, it's coming into these short. So I personally feel like the AI is like for the brainstorming, Canva is a designing, Grammarly is for your grammar correction. So these three apps definitely you require in current era. You should learn, get the mastery into these three apps. So now the fourth app, which is called the Quillbot. Now I will not suggest everyone, like if you have a Grammarly also, so you can take the help of the Grammarly. But if you wanted to, after joining the company, but if you're more into the project management, if you're in the presentation, you're on you left the job on a senior level position, took a break due to maternity or a health issue, now you're restarting. But now when you're restarting, again you are thinking to go on that particular role. So Quillbot is basically helping you to correcting the graphs, creating these sentences, giving the proper meaning. So if you are preparing any presentation for the company, if they are told you like we need the sample, so Quillbot will help you with that, okay? Because in that there are different variations are there, like you want to need the excellence, okay, fluent proficiency, basic proficiency, Then if you want for the research based sentences, because I have seen like a lot of PhD holder, they are using the Quillboard to redraft their paragraphs, redraft their papers also, because sometimes they don't want to mix up whatever information they have taken from the other papers and through the reference. So just for the reference, knowledge purpose I have shared. But Quillboard will help you to draft big paragraphs, big presentations, details also, and make your communication very crisp and the professionals. So if you are on a senior level position and if you're thinking actually which software we need to use it, which app, the Quillboard is a good software to correct and make your communication crisp and professional. So now let's talk about the application where you can track each and everything. So one app is available in the market, that is a TEAL. The spelling is TEAL. Okay. In that you can track whatever job you have applied, everything will be tagged into that. So what you need to do, you have to log in, you have to sign up, and you have to plug in, like in the Chrome you have to add that plugin. So whenever you are applying any particular position, automatically you have to click add it, and automatically that particular the role which you have applied, that will go and save it into that particular app. So you can keep tracking like whatever jobs you are applying, how many responses you are receiving, how many jobs you are applying in a day. Because I always throw the challenge to all my applicants, next 30 days you need to apply minimum 3 to 5 job application jobs. Now the question comes, how we can keep the track. So tracker is the TEAL, TEL, where you can track. More than that, more than tracker, you can draft your cover letters, you can create your presentation, you can store it. Then you can build your resume also according to the position. Many features are available. Go and explore. That is one of the very good tool which I feel to applicants, especially the women who are restarting, because they are not very sure like how many jobs I am applying and how to keep the track, how to maintain the Excel, what exactly I need to put. Just follow, sign up into this app and start tracking all your jobs there. Yes, job portals are there. You need to log in there also. You need to start applying. Once you add the plugin in your Chrome, automatically whichever jobs you're applying will get saved. So you can cross check whether it is getting saving or not. Videos are available on the website. Free demo is available. You can watch that video how to play with this in that particular software TEL, and that will really going to help you to track each and every job application you're applying. So do it. So let me tell you, these tools are not only for the techies, okay, for the tech people. These tools specially designed for those people who are not so much comfortable with the techies. So people who are in this journey, especially the women who are restarting their career, they always feel overwhelming from where to start, how to start. And now particularly in this era, आप टेक के साथ कनेक्टेड नहीं हो, दैट मीन्स यू आर टू मच फार बिहाइंड. सो आपको थोड़ा तो रिलेशनशिप टेक के साथ बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बट दीज 5 टूल्स आर वेरी सिंपल. थोड़ा R&D करके आपको पता चल जाएगा. जर्नी इज़ वेरी सिंपल, थॉट प्रोसेस इज़ वेरी सिंपल. एवरी डे spend half an hour on each application, you will become a master into the all apps. So guys, if you're liking such kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button. And as I mentioned, if you are stuck into any question, you can write me on the email tejaswita@procareerignition, or you can send in the question into the comment section. And don't forget to register for my upcoming webinar that is absolutely free, and I'm going to share the 3 secrets, and my webinar name is a career break to career breakthrough. And if you still not thinking like what exactly Tejaswita is going to share, why can't you book one-on-one free session that's called the Career Comeback Diagnostic Session? Link also you will find in the description. So I'll see you, and if you have any doubt, don't forget to write me in the comment section. See you. Bye-bye.